think you should be.
What's going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video we will be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as Zen to US dollar. This was a coin that was commented by Marcos H, so thank you for the comment, and shout out to you for getting the top choice, the top pick. So let's just jump right into the cryptocurrency market cap. If we refresh the page, I believe I already did, but let's see. No, I didn't. Okay, so this is pretty much what we're looking at right now. Bitcoin up 1.8, Ethereum up 0.26, Bitcoin Cash up 7.4, Litecoin up 1.7. Those are the important coins in my mind. They're the top coin. They basically are the volume and the bulk of cryptocurrency. So we're kind of having a somewhat positive day today, so not too bad. Looking on Litecoin, very interesting when I look at this. You do notice that we are starting this uptrend. We did bounce right off this downtrend right here. Very funny how this uptrend was drawn and we popped right up off of it. And sorry, I'm not good with my colors. This orange line that we drew, we seem to be following it so perfectly, which is quite interesting because I literally just slapped that on there. Wasn't even trying for it to be a line of support, but that is exactly what it is. So very interesting that we are following that. Not much I can say yet in Litecoin though. We are still following this uptrend. So we'll see if we can retest this downtrend right here, this downward channel, and hopefully break out on the E point, and we'll see where that goes. So that's a quick update for Litecoin. I do think there's a lot of potential within that. So it's literally, we're almost at the end of the symmetrical triangle, so we will see what happens at the end of the pennant flag. Literally trading sideways on the RSI as well. As for Bitcoin, very nice looking. You'll notice we are coming down to retest and remake the point D on the Elliott wave triangle, so that is interesting to notice too. Not too much that's unpredictable, but I can see Bitcoin coming down to retest the 72.86 area, so expect to keep going downwards for Bitcoin because that seems to be the pattern that we are having. Now let's look at Ethereum quickly. Ethereum not doing too bad. You'll see we did come back down. I did redraw this line right here as support, so we will see now what exactly is happening. You'll notice we are continuing lower, but there is a chance we could come back up higher. So it's really just a waiting game. I'd like to see whether or not we continue to break downwards or if we go up. But as of right now, I'm not too sure as to what is happening. I am more on the bear side, as due that we are below this line right here of support. So let's see how that plays out in the near future. Looking at Zen, this was the coin that was recommended for me to look at. I'm going to go onto the daily chart, and you will notice that there is a solid downtrend right here. Very, very, very solid downtrend that I can see. And hopefully you guys can see that too. Crazy downtrend. Also seeing some nice lines of support. So we can also draw these in. One being right around here. And then there are a few more. We have another one right around here. And that's pretty much all we need right now. So basically, looking at this chart, you can see we still have a huge downtrend that we have not broken yet. We did come back down to retest this line of support right here. So what I can infer is that we will probably keep trading sideways right now in between these two lines, eventually, hopefully popping out of this downtrend right here. So not a smart idea to invest in this currency at the moment, although I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm not in charge of what you do with your money. This is just my personal opinion and my advice as to what I think would benefit you in the long run. Definitely wouldn't buy right now. I'd wait for it to come back down right here, see if we pop out of it a little bit, and then I'd throw in some money into this cryptocurrency and buy in and ride the wave back up, because this is a very nice slow resistance downwards, and we should see a nice pop on Zen too. So that's something also to look into. But my main coin in the moment right now, where I'm all in, is Litecoin, and I do see a lot of potential in that. If we break down lower, I still think that will be okay. I will then show you guys a lot more of different trading techniques as to make quick money very quickly off daily or weekly trades instead of hodling for the long run. They're both two methods that I use to make money while I'm away at college, so that is very cool to look at too. But definitely a nice bounce and following the pattern very surely on Litecoin, because you can see how well we are playing out, and literally just tested this line of resistance, line of support right here, and are now coming back up to retest this line of resistance, and hopefully we will be breaking out of that, because as you can see on the daily chart, we are coming to an end on most of these pennant flags or symmetrical triangles. As you can see, Litecoin is pretty much on its last stretch. And let's check Bitcoin, and then we'll check Ethereum, and that will wrap up the video for today, guys. Yeah, you can see this Bitcoin following right behind, and Ethereum almost ending its pennant flag, or this is a descending triangle, so we'll see what is up. So that's pretty much going to wrap up the video for today, guys. Sorry it was short, but did have a lot to do. I'll make a longer video tomorrow, and when there's more out there for me to review, we'll get into that too. But otherwise, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for, finally we broke 1,000, so thank you guys. That's awesome. I'm going to try and figure out something to do as a giveaway. Otherwise, please leave a comment as to what your top altcoin is that you want reviewed, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.